I'm Mike from MPT, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install a tune on your Gen 3 EcoBoost. A big difference from the previous generations is that the first step is under the hood. Let's take a look. In this video, we're showing you how to use the SCT X4 7015 PG-B. It looks just like a normal X4. The difference, however, is that we're at the PCM and there's additional parts. So we've got our PCM adapter. I call this the OBD-II adapter box. To power it, we're going to connect directly to the battery. And then we've got our normal OBD-II cable. Right here on the firewall is our PCM. We're going to disconnect these three connectors. Really simple process. You just push a button, pull the gray lever. And the cool thing about these is that each one of them can only fit one way, can't go backwards, and they've got these guides so that there's really no concern about bending any of the PCM pins. I've done this hundreds of times already, nothing to be concerned about. Once you've disconnected the three connectors from the PCM, you're going to connect the SCT version to this first one closest to you, and it can only fit one. Now we're going to power it. Connect the ground straight to the battery, connect the power to the battery. From there, connect the OBD-II-port, and that goes right to our tuner and starts to power on. We're going to go into Program Vehicle, follow the instructions on the screen. During this process, it's normal to hear a couple clicks from the box or the PCM. It's going to bring us to a screen that shows the SCT preloaded tune as well as our MPT custom tunes, assuming you've added them already. So we're going to install our MPT 93 PRX tune. This is the first time tuning it, so we're also going to show you how long it takes to store the stock file. Storing that stock file is important. That's what gives us a true backup copy of our original factory programming, which we'll restore if we need to go in for dealer service or warranty work. I'm going to wait to hit continue until, all right, we're going to start the clock now. It's saving a stock file. For this point of the video, I'm going to fast forward it, but we are going to show you just how much time it takes. Leave that in view. Download complete. Of course, the time I film, it's pretty much the longest I've ever seen. 35 minutes total on this one. Typically, for the original Flash, first time going from stock to a tune, I'm seeing it around 20, maybe 25. 35 is a long time. So that was going from stock to a tune. Now I'm going to show you how much faster it is to go from one tune to another. So we installed our 93 PRX tune, and now I'm going to install the 93 daily tow tune. So we're going to pick our MPT daily tow tune, and this one's going to show how fast it is to go from tune to tune. So start here, start there. And there we go. So going from tune to tune, complete, less than 5 minutes. You want to stay close by and listen for that beep. So after you've installed your tune, the final step is to disconnect the power. Disconnect your OBD-II cable. Remove the PCM connector. And then now we're going to reconnect the factory PCM. So you slide them on nice and straight. And there you have it. We are now MPT tuned. The only thing left to do is go for a drive. Wow. I'm just easy going on the gas, and I can feel the effortlessness of acceleration. Absolute night and day. Incredible. The shifts feel great already. Butter smooth, up and down. Love it. it feels good. That's what's up. Driving mptune is just the way it should be. It feels exactly how you want it to feel every step of the way. It's perfect.